Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a quick weave. First, gather your essential tools: a good quick weave remover, a fine-tooth comb, and a few small towels. You will also need a spray bottle filled with warm water. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother. This preparation greatly reduces the chance of any hair damage or breakage during the removal process. Now, it is time to soften the adhesive. Section your hair into 4 to 6 manageable parts, securing each with a hair clip. Apply the quick weave remover directly to the glue bonds, making sure to saturate each one thoroughly. Let the product sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it enough time to fully break down the adhesive for easier removal. Once the adhesive is softened, begin the gentle removal. Starting from the bottom, carefully lift each weft away from your natural hair. Use your fingers or the blunt end of a radial comb to gently separate the bond. If you encounter any resistance, apply a little more remover and wait a few more minutes. Patience prevents pulling and unnecessary tension on your strands. After removing all the wefts, address any remaining glue residue. Apply a small amount of quick weave remover or a natural oil, like olive oil, directly to any sticky areas on your natural hair. Gently massage the product into the residue for a minute or two. Then, use a fine-tooth comb to meticulously comb out the softened glue, working from roots to ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.